Tips for improving your interactions with women. Improving your interactions with women, or anyone, for that matter, involves developing good communication skills, empathy, and respect. Here are some tips for enhancing your interactions with women. Listen actively, pay close attention to what she's saying, and show genuine interest in her thoughts and feelings. Ask open-ended questions to encourage meaningful conversations. Respect personal space, always respect personal boundaries and give women the space they need. It's essential to respect their physical and emotional boundaries. Avoid stereotyping, don't make assumptions based on gender. Treat women as individuals with their unique interests, opinions, and experiences. Be confident, not aggressive. Confidence is attractive, but aggression is not. Be self-assured but not pushy or disrespectful. Respect her choices and boundaries. Use positive body language, maintain good eye contact, have an open posture, and offer friendly, non-threatening body language. This can help convey warmth and openness. Empathize and be supportive, show empathy and offer support when needed. Understand that women, like men, can face various challenges and struggles. Respect consent, consent is crucial in any interaction. Always ask for and respect clear and enthusiastic consent in all situations. Be a good friend. Building a foundation of friendship is often a great way to get to know someone. Be a good listener and offer support, but don't push for a romantic relationship if it's not wanted. Honesty and transparency, be honest about your intentions and feelings. It's better to communicate openly rather than resort to games or manipulation. Respect differences, people have diverse backgrounds, beliefs, and values. Respect these differences and engage in respectful dialogue rather than trying to change someone's opinions. Avoid objectification, don't reduce women to their physical appearance. Treat them with respect and appreciate their inner qualities and personalities. Educate yourself about issues related to gender equality, feminism, and women's rights. This can help you better understand and empathize with their experiences. Offer encouragement, support women in pursuing their goals and ambitions. Encouragement and belief in their abilities can go a long way. Learn to apologize. If you make a mistake or say something offensive unintentionally, be willing to apologize and learn from it. A sincere apology can demonstrate maturity and respect. Be patient, building meaningful relationships takes time. Don't rush or pressure someone into a relationship, let things develop naturally. Self-improvement, focus on personal growth and self-improvement. Being the best version of yourself can make you more appealing to others. Remember that these tips are not limited to interactions with women but are generally applicable to interactions with all individuals. Respect, empathy, and open communication are the foundations of healthy and meaningful relationships.